Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a stunning vertical timeline UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create the beautiful component you see on the screen right now. Let's start by creating a basic container for our timeline. We'll use a div with Tailwind classes for flexbox, column direction, and some padding and margin. This will serve as the foundation for our timeline. Next, we'll add our first timeline event. Inside the container, create a div for the event. Add a heading and a paragraph for the event title and description. Use Tailwind classes to style the text. Let's add another event to our timeline. Simply duplicate the previous event div and change the content to reflect a new event. This demonstrates how easy it is to expand your timeline. We'll add a third event to our timeline. Again, duplicate the event div and update the content. This step shows how to continue building out your timeline with additional events. For our final event, we'll add one more event div. This completes our timeline structure. You can now see how the timeline grows with each event added. To enhance our timeline, let's add images to each event. We'll use the placehold.co API to generate placeholder images. This adds a visual element to our timeline. Now that we have our images in place, let's ensure they have some margin from the text. Use the Tailwind class mount2 to add a top margin to each image. Finally, let's ensure our timeline component is centered on the page. We can add some margin to the body element to achieve this. Congratulations! You've successfully built a vertical timeline UI component using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to structure the timeline, style it with Tailwind classes, and ensure it looks great on any screen. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thank you for watching Tailwind.